Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on your Telegram's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on your Telegram's account, firstly go ahead and launch upon your Telegram application on your device. The home page of Telegram will be displayed on the screen. From the home page, click on Settings option at the bottom of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Telegram's account. Scroll all the way down and tap on Language. Choose the language that you want to change to and tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be able to change your language on your Telegram's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.